Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Nissan Rogue windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. It is crucial to ensure you have the correct size blades for your specific Nissan Rogue model. Also, double-check that the new blades have the same attachment mechanism as your current ones for a smooth installation process. Having everything ready makes the job much easier. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, find the small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it attaches to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the wiper arm hook. Repeat this for both sides. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and carefully slide its connector onto the wiper arm's hook. Push it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked in place. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield surface. Do this for both sides. After installing both new wiper blades, it is important to test them. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to activate the wipers. Observe them closely to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively without streaking. Regularly inspect your blades for any signs of wear, like streaks or chattering, to maintain optimal visibility. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.